Yo, what's up, everyone? Sorry I've been absent. I was in Mexico for 3 weeks. I also have been shooting a range test video. I'm going to be posting that in the near future. Um, Also, my Pixel 4 actually died, so I ended up getting a Pixel 6, and I decided to try the SD Fly app with it, and it actually works pretty well. It's still missing a lot of features. Says like coming soon, but it shows that Swellpro is working on the app and there is progress for Android users, which is great news. And then that made me decide to want to go to their website, and I saw a ton of new accessories, which is making me happy too. I bought some new accessories for my Swellpro. The main one being the range extender and new antennas for the remote. And I'll have to shoot another video comparing the improvement of range from the original antennas to their new ones when I get them. So that'll be exciting. Okay, so just quick video, and I'll leave you with some shots of the drone orbiting